Another great way to work on pinch strength and tripod grasp is through tweezers. So I just have two different types of tweezers here. You can pick these up at any dollar store. This one is great because it actually works on the tripod three-fingered grasp. This one now is working more on two-fingered grasp, and that would be the beginning step that I would start with. So what you're going to do is you're just going to have your child pick up different objects. So these pom-poms are great. You can put things, have a little scavenger hunt all over the house, and you can have them pick up things with the tweezers. I've done that with kids where we've done different objects and scattered them around the room, and I just gave them a little baggie and they just had to go and pick everything up. And then depending on the size of the object, depends on how much they have to squeeze, but it's a great way to just work on that nice tripod grasp and pinch control. Tweezers, super simple and fun.